So guys, I'm going to give an uplift to a table which was not used for long years in the front room. This was used earlier in the front room for long years. Now I am using it as a painting table. But I'm thinking of giving it an uplift so that you can use it as a front room table. So this is the table. See the condition of this. So let's check how can we improve its look just by using some uh, easily available things like coir. So this is the coir that we are going to use. Okay, so what we have to do first is take a newspaper, and make some rounds with it, just like this. Cut few rounds. So you can make any shapes. You can make any shapes. Okay, so now I'm taking a round shape. So what you have to do is cut it from the newspaper, and then this is a coir, so you have to make circles so this is set coir, and we have to make a round shape with it. It's very easy, just you have to make rounds with it. So it will come like this. See? It will come like this. And what we have to do is, first we have to paste some gum on it. Gum on this paper. 1 second. So I am just showing it. You have to paste some gum on this paper, and you have to stick this on this paper. Okay, so you have to make a bigger one like this. So like this you have to do, and the gum you have to paste it here, and just do like this. So finally the shape will be something like this. 1 second, I already made, so it will come like this. So it will be like this. See, so here is that paper, and on the top of it that coir. After that, so after making the rounds, we can paint it. So I used green and brown colors. So I used acrylic paint. If you want, you can use that other type of paints that you have with you. So I used acrylic paints like green and burnt sienna. So this is actually this is the actual color of the coir, and by painting it, it turned to this color, like this brown color, because I used that color because it will suit with the table color. Okay, so after that I just use some beads to give it a good catchy look. These are the beads I used. You can use anything that you have that is available with you. So see, these are the beads I used. So see the beads I used. So using all these things, I made these circular shapes in different sizes. So I wanted to give differences. See, this is one of the bigger one I made. This is the one bigger like this. I rolled it, then painted it, and on top of it I pasted some beads. This is a bigger one. So just like that I made another one also, which is in brown color. So as per your wish, you can use any colors. So this is the one I used. Okay, so now it's very easy to make. You just have to roll it and just paste it on a paper Why we are pasting it on a paper is so it will be easy to stick on the table. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to stick. So I used a paper. So you just have to glue on this paper and just stick it on the table. Okay. This on the table first. So for that, I'm applying some glue on this paper. Stick all the rounds on this table, and finally I will show you how it will be looking like. So guys, this is the final product. So I pasted it on the top of the table, all the coir rounds. Now what we have to do is we have to put a mirror on top of it, so that we can place anything on it without any disturbance. So I will be putting a mirror on top of this. After that I will show you the final product. Okay. To put a mirror on top of this. So this is a mirror I bought. Then I shaped it on this shape, that just the edges has been shaped, and now I'm going to keep it here. Let's check how it look. So this is that mirror. It's not a costly mirror. So see how it looks now. That's all you want is this coir, and this is optional only, this mirror, which you can buy from mirror shops, and it's not too much, it's not much costly also, it's very cost effective mirror only. So that's all, that's the design. You can also try this such things, and just comment and subscribe to my channel if you like my channel. Thank you.